Hi everyone. So here we have one more internship in Acker Earth, but it is belongs to NASDAQ. So they will going to hire you new fresh engineers, fresh graduates. So NASDAQ fresh graduates and intern they will going to hire. So here I will tell you the details. What are the things you need to do for internship and all. Already it is running. So what do you need to do? If you are a Java developer, they will go to hire you. Okay. NASDAQ is hiring for Java software developers within 0 to 4 years of experience to join their team at the Bangalore. It will be in Bangalore. So that's why they will go to put you on challenge. You have to crack that challenge. So if they like it, they will going to call you and you will be hired as an intern. Okay. If your performance is good, definitely will be an employee to that company, NASDAQ. Okay. So you are just 6 hours away to complete your first step to joining the NASDAQ. So there will be a challenge. You have to take that challenge. If you are win that challenge, definitely will be in the team. Okay. So what is your eligibility is required to join this particular NASDAQ team? So candidates within 4+ years of experience are eligible for this challenge. So what are the skill sets you need to have? That is core Java, EJB. Okay. Again, Hibernate, Spring Boot, JBoss. Again, you have a good at Angular or React. So container technologies like Docker, Kubernetes. Okay. So if you want to ask the websites, you need to know these things. Okay. Again, challenge format will be one programming question, 10 MCQs will be there. Again, related topics, those topics on coding like this, based on the topics. One machine coding question, so that will be there. So you will be, if you are hired, the position will be like this, competitive in market, Bangalore. So you will be funded, nothing but stipend will be given, 50K. And so you will be quality analyst or DevOps test engineer, intern position, two positions are available. Okay. Again, for Java, C++, and .NET development, you're going to have 9 positions. And system administration or Linux developer. If you are um, Linux or Linux uh, certificated person means definitely you can able to try this. Okay, please try this. Okay. About NASDAQ, if you want to know more about this here, there are a lot of the things are there. Click on this here. Okay, so you'll want to see more about NASDAQ. So many things you can log in and you can do a lot of things over there. Again, if you wanted, you can able to watch this video, all those things. Okay. So challenge format will be like this: 10 questions, multiple choice questions, one programming question, one file upload question. Duration 6 hours you have to take. So within 6 hours, if it is possible to it. Okay, you have 30 minutes to solve that 10 MCQs. Again, the MCQs are bounded, time bounded, is allotted specific time for to solve the program. See, nothing but within 30 minutes you have to solve this one. Okay, MCQs. Again, programming, when it comes to programming, you have 1 hour to solve one programming question. Okay, before you attempt the programming question, you should choose a language, either C++ or Java. Okay, .NET, like that, you have to check it. That is your choice. Okay, all inputs for the programming problems are from standard input uh, to standard output. To understand more about the judging environment, time limits, etc., you need to know. So go here. If you'll understand what are the things will going to happen, and you have to run the code and you have to upload that particular code into the. So basically, it will go to save over there only. You can submit the solution for programming 300 times per day, and for subjective objective problems, you can change your answers as many times you want it. So that is okay, no problem. So but within 6 hours you have to do all these things. Okay. Again, task based questions, any task there will be a number of tasks will going to be happen. So take the task and solve it and you can do it. Task based questions, there will be some kind of task based questions. You will be provided within this problem statement. You have to build a function front end, nothing but you have to use the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all those things. Okay, you have to use those things. You have to design a website. For here, each problem comprises some of the following mandatory features is that you should build, and a list of good to have a features which are mandatory to build will you extra marks if build. Okay, so what is this? Nothing but if you make a good featured website, they will go to give you extra marks. So guidelines to solve the problem, and wireframe diagrams, all those things. Please check it out, all those things. That's what I told you. You have to know JavaScript and CSS and HTML. So it's very good for front-end development. After you have written the code, you can see the preview of the output in the fix tab. You can able to get that one. If you wanted, you can able to fix that bugs, etc., all those things. And finally, you submit that particular code in the hacker. Okay, so this is all about, again, you can do this, all these things. If you want to take the challenge, okay, if you want to take the challenge, what we have to do here? So go here, sample challenge. Okay, click over here, sample challenge. Fine. So it will leads to hacker rank, hacker earth. Sorry, not hacker rank. It's hacker earth. It leads to here. Take start now. It will take and sign in here again. Automatically, it will get you. You will go to get the one problem statement. So understand that one and solve it. So this is all about. Please take this challenge and participate. You will understand what exactly you people wanted to understand in the college, as well as what exactly you need to look towards for a better job, all those things, etc., for better career as well. Okay, thank you very much. Please share and subscribe.